Hey, I've got something to confess.
What?
That I'm a Barbie collector, but I'm underground.
I love it. I love it.
I've had Barbies my whole life, and I just love them. So I love this new Barbie collection that Riley Blake has come out with.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it is so fun. We've made it up, and it's called Check Me Out pattern. It's a pattern that we have for our own. It's kind of like a buffalo plaid, and we have put such fun fabrics, and it comes in 2 colorways.
It's awesome.
The
Margot,
blue.
I remember having these Barbies.
I do too. I've got a couple of them still today. and not unfortunately, but really, I do have a couple today.
Yes.
So my collection, I have maybe 75 Barbies.
Oh my.
That are still boxed. But what is so cool is we put a cute backing on this, and then the quilting on this is like a Barbie head, and it is so cute. And then this
there's
one,
a ponytail.
Yeah, there's our ponytail. And then this one we quilted with a big bee on the back of it for Barbie, and it looks so cute with this gingham check on the back.
Absolutely.
So this quilt is really easy to make.
Yes.
It only has 4 fabrics in it, and it goes together so quick and so easy.
Quickly.
And look what a fun quilt it makes to throw on the ground when you're playing with your Barbies or something along those lines.
Or to put on your bed.
Or to put on your
or
bed.
your couch or your wall.
Yes.
The binding is perfect for this.
Yeah, I like it too. Good. Hey, come check this out at My Favorite Quilt Store.